reading English. Here is the alphabet in English. These are the names of the letters: A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, Z. You should learn these names. The next step is to go on to the alphabet sounds. There are 5 most important sounds in the English alphabet. These are A, E, I, O, A. Sometimes there is a sixth sound, which is E. Now, these letters, known as the consonants, sound like this: B, K, D, F, G, H, J, K, L, M, N, P, Q, R, S, T, V, W, X, Y, Z. Sometimes the C, K, also makes the sound S, like the S. The Q, Qu, always operates with a U, next to it, so you always get Qu, U in English together. You should learn the names and sounds of these letters. Thank you.